friends, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to demonstrate an experiment showing the electrolysis of salt water. The main aim of this video is to show that even non-metals can conduct electricity. In this video, our non-metal is this pencil lid, which is made up of graphite, which is an allotrope of carbon. Carbon exists in various states, and each state of carbon is known as an allotrope. For example, diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Similarly, graphite is also an allotrope of carbon. Materials required for this experiment are a glass of water, salt, two pencils sharpened from both ends, a 9 volts battery, and a battery cap, and a tape. Procedure. First, take a glass of water and add salt to it and stir well. In real electrolysis, we use different solutions, and when higher levels of electricity is passed through it, there is a direct reaction where water splits into hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules. But for doing this experiment at home, we take salt solution and a secondary reaction takes place where the salt solution is split into the molecules of sodium and chlorine. After stirring well, we have our salt solution ready. Now, let's make the apparatus. For making the apparatus, we have to attach one sharpened end of each pencil to the battery cap. For this, first we will coil the end of the wire properly on one of the sharpened ends of each pencil, and then using a piece of tape attach it firmly so that our wire and pencil lid are not separated, and hence the circuit is completed. Now, attach the battery cap firmly and properly to the 9 volts battery to complete the circuit. After our apparatus is completed, we will insert the other two bare sharpened ends of the pencil in salt solution and observe very carefully what happens. Here we can observe that bubbles are produced at the tip of the pencil, splitting the salt solution into sodium and chlorine molecules. Thereby, our aim of this experiment that some nonmetals conduct electricity has been proved.